that you guys don't like public health dentistry, most of you in fact, and find it very boring as a subject. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sonal Bhatia. I've done my BDS and MDS in Public Health Dentistry from Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences, New Delhi. And I have prepared a series of very interactive lectures on this subject for you. I'm very passionate about this subject, and hence I've tried to make these lectures very interesting with day-to-day examples, and you will find it very interesting, and it will take public health dentistry out of the textbook for you. So I hope you do attend my lectures so that you can gain a new perspective about this topic that you keep at the last moment to study.